Hello, and welcome to part 2 of the video presentation of Lab 1A, which has been divided into smaller segments due to its size. Part 2 provides a brief introduction to the backstage dialog, in addition to a brief discussion on accessing the mouse button mapping tool in MicroStation Connect Edition. Many of the menu items located above the drawing views in previous versions of MicroStation are located as menu items on the dialog that appears upon left-clicking on the File button. This dialog is commonly referred to as Backstage. The Backstage dialog can be reached by selecting the File option. This dialog includes the file management options to include creating new files, opening files, saving files, save as, save settings, close, in addition to a number of the settings options, tools, settings, which includes preferences, properties, print options, import, export, publishing an iModel, as well as help, feedback, and the exit button. Clicking on the close option accesses the workspace options. So workspace selections could be reached via that same avenue. Mouse buttons can be remapped from the Backstage dialog by selecting File, Settings, Button Assignments, and when the Button Assignments dialog appears, select the Remap button option in the upper right. That's File, Settings, Button Assignments, and Remap button, and this will launch the button mappings option, or it can be accessed as depicted in the following. Begin typing the name of the needed tool in the search ribbon field, button for this example, and the button assignments option and other options will appear. This feature is a helpful tool when searching for other tools as well. Action items illustrated in workflows and demonstrations described in this presentation and related documents are executed by mouse clicks based on the mouse settings listed below. Mouse button assignments are often set such that the middle button function is activated by clicking the left and right mouse buttons simultaneously, a setting referred to as a cord snap. Mouse assignments can be remapped by the button mappings tool as mentioned previously. As mentioned previously, the button mappings dialog can be accessed by typing in button in the search ribbon, and as soon as typing begins, similar words begin to appear in the drop-down. So select the button assignments option, and the button assignments dialog appears. After the button assignments dialog, select the remap buttons option. The button mappings dialog appears. Select the tentative option, and with the button that is to be used for the tentative snap, which in this case is the middle mouse button, click in the button definition area and then click OK. After the appropriate button has been set, save settings so that the selected button will remain active as the middle snap button. In summary, this presentation introduces the Backstage dialog and discusses remapping the mouse button assignments in MicroStation Connect Edition. This concludes Part 2 of Lab 1A. Thank you for watching.